now when I come back, the washing machine is gonna explode or something. It's broken, and I don't know who washed the clothes that make this so high up. Oh my god, it's like maybe it's going to have a fire here or something, or explode or something. This is dangerous. Today I work with my big machine for 4.5 hours, driving all circus, all the shopping mall. This is how to clean the shopping mall. You just drive the machine for 3 hours and do the other tasks that you need to be done. Yeah. This is how to make money in Norway. This is how the washing machine looks like. Washing room, everything. So guys, now I'm done cleaning my Vona. It's like my cleaning equipment, and now I turn it off the machine. Now it's turned off. It's no more wash. It's no more soap and everything. A little bit in the top, but I don't know if it's still working. Yes, it's a little bit problem. I don't know how to fix it because I am not a fixer, or I don't know what's really the problem. Yeah, I talked to my work colleague about it, and she said she washed it, but only the mop have more soap, so it's no problem with the machine, I think. But we will see. And then yeah, this is how it looked like, the washing area that we wash the mop. We use the mop, and then the tumble dryer, and then this is our paper if we're going to change paper in the toilet, for hands, and then for the ass. And also we have a lot of antibac because of the corona, and then also we had a hand soap. Yeah, it's a lot stuff here. It's a really important part of the cleaning system here in Norway. Yeah, they have everything here. They're really good. They're really good. Company provide everything for the cleaning. Yeah, and now the shopping mall is ready for the show. Okay guys, that's all. That's how life here in Norway, the cleaning. Goodbye.